This is very nice today. Usually it doesn't before. This is available to 19 staircase F here. It's in Kaleva, Tampere, and of course it's a big one to Finland. It was built in 1962 or 1994. December 1972. There's only one ride.
Yeah.
I like that sounds and smell here.
Same. Det er bare kiva med den fra Kone.
But unfortunately the basic was locked up.
Yeah.
Yes, that's it.
That's